This is how to make a Mexican folk dancing skirt. Take a paper plate and trace it like I've just shown you here. You start off with a backwards S and continue to make ripples along the bottom. Make the skirt. It's going to be like an upside down triangle in a minute. Each of those ripples make a line that goes up to that waistline. From one of the ripples, each ripple has a line that goes up to that waistline. Then make a little line at the bottom of each of those ripples that you can see the underneath part of the skirt. Now do the other side, making the lines. Now do you see an upside down triangle that goes up to the waistline? And then the skirt comes out to the side. Now with a pencil, make the body and put circles for the shoulders and a line for the arms. Now you can start to build on that. And you see how the arms need some flesh on them. The head is like an upside down egg, and you put a ruffle around the shoulders. You can make the face. Now I'm going to trace this. You can see how the arms are fleshed out, but you usually start with a stage 1 line. Right now, we're in stage 2, where we're putting in more detail. We're going to erase all of the stage 1 lines that we don't need. And now we're going to move on to stage 3 for color. So we're putting in colors. You can use whatever colors you like. And I'm using a wet in wet technique on the skirt. I let it dry and then I go back in and I make shadows. So the light part of the skirt has highlights on it. There's a shadow underneath each ripple where you do those little straight lines. Remember, you can pause anytime. Put some cheek color in. Now, I cut some tissue paper, put some glue where the flower is, and I put this little squared piece of tissue paper over the end of my pencil where the eraser is, and I crunch it around that. And it makes a nice flower. I've done a few different layers. See how that flower looks? It's kind of nice. Now that the skirt has dried some more, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use even darker paint. So look at those wonderful shadows. And there you have it, your Mexican folk dancing skirt. You now have a beautiful dancer, a folk dancer for Hispanic Heritage Month.